वेलकम बैक टू आवर सीरीज ऑफ पोस्ट मार्केट एनालिसिस, जहां पे हम डेली बात करते हैं मार्केट में क्या हुआ है और आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं आने वाले ट्रेडिंग सेशन में। कल के इसी वीडियो सीरीज के अंदर हमने बात करी थी लॉरस लैब जील के बारे में एंड निफ्टी के बारे में, जहां पे मैंने आपसे कहा था निफ्टी कुड प्ले आउट क्रिटिकली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बीइंग अ एक्सपायरी एंड सेम थिंग हैपेंड टुडे। ओवरऑल मार्केट काफी ज्यादा neutral थी. There was a sideways movement. Even the candle which has formed today is of a very small size. There was one share which has completely taken market upwards, and because of that reason we have seen nifty closing in green. So that one company is, most of you guys must be knowing, is Reliance. So we'll discuss about that particular company as well, and couple of good things which has happened in the market and how we should analyze our further steps. So let's go directly towards the chart and discuss the critical things. So if you could see on the screen now, this is Nifty chart which is there, and as you guys can see the Nifty chart, and as you can see Nifty has closed in 0.7 positive today. This is a minor gain which we have seen in the market, and if we just look at the 1 day chart, at present we are just looking at 4 hours chart. If we just directly go towards 1 day chart, we'll be able to see there is a very small, if I zoom a little bit, you'll be able to notice that the candle which has formed today is inside the body of a candle which was formed yesterday, and it has managed to turn green. The size of both the candles which formed yesterday and today is typically same, but you have to understand one thing here, that Reliance was today 6% up, and that has taken Nifty towards the gain of 0.7%, being a heavyweight in the Nifty index. So this gain of 0.7% should not be taken up very seriously, is what I would say. But yes, there is a good factor that we have seen an inside bar pattern which is considered to be slightly bullish, given that we have been seeing Nifty respecting the support of 17,250, and if we see that Nifty this time crosses this major resistance from where the fall came in day before yesterday's session, we may see that Nifty can reach or test the strong resistance of 17,900. So this is good which has happened, and it is signaling that tomorrow we may test the level of 17,590, and above it's the bull run which we can see for a short term around 17,900. So tomorrow's day could be quite crucial for overall market to see, and you guys can easily check up. This is the strong resistance from where Nifty has fallen, and there was a strong sell candle which you can easily spot on the chart which was formed. So if we neutralize this, it would be a sentimental gain for the bulls, and there could be a scenario that we may see a strong buying returning. And the gain which we have seen in Reliance is after the news which has came up in the market that Reliance Industry is taking up a modification at their Jamnagar unit, where they would be taking up sign gas as a power source to produce oil, and using sign gas, which is a combination of carbon monoxide and H2, will help Reliance to produce oil at a cost friendly way, and this is a great use in a long run for the Reliance as a whole. So this was the major reason, and if you just look at the chart as well, and if you just go to the weekly chart, though today, if you look at the Reliance chart and we go to the weekly chart, though it was 6% up, but historically, if you just look at the Reliance chart, whenever we have seen a fall of around 10% from the high, there has been a strong move which we have regularly seen in Reliance. And same thing happened in last couple of days when Reliance has corrected almost 15% from the high, and now it is again going up. So this is good time if you guys ask me to invest in Reliance, because whenever there is a correction of more than 10%, Reliance have reversed and taken the market and itself towards up. So I think now you can think of entering into Reliance. Partially you can enter now, and partial quantity you can add up after 1 or 2% more positive move, and then it could be a great strategy to invest in Reliance. If you just look at the weekly chart, also out here there is a hammer pattern which is considered to be a bullish pattern has formed. So it is overall looking nice to me that we can enter in Reliance at the current price. and then you can look for a strong target of around 6 to 8% on the upper side from the present level. And of course you can hold it for longer term, because if Reliance rises, there are chances that it may touch or break the all-time high again. Apart from this, there are a couple of shares also which we'll discuss, but before that, just look at the bank nifty chart which is out here. Overall banking sector completely still looking weak to me, and same is being visible from the chart. The candles which we are seeing on the 4 hour chart are very weak candles, and if we just compare it with the nifty chart, you can easily recognize that how banking sector was very weak today, and comparatively nifty was quite positive, just because the influence of Reliance in it. But overall also the banking sector is looking weak to me, and for some time now you can, I think, avoid looking at the banking sector for some time. Now, one major index which I want to discuss with you is pharma sector. I have been talking about this from quite some time, and yesterday we have also discussed about Laurus Lab. Today Laurus Lab was 6% up. You can check up the video of yesterday's post market analysis, and where I told you a great entry would be in Laurus Lab, and how it has reacted today, you'll be able to understand. So if you just look at the pharma index here, the pharma index is quite comparatively looking strong, and it is looking quite strong, and we may see pharma index testing 40,000 level. And if that happens, there are many good stocks which you'll find at a very discounted price at present, which can give a very strong move from here. I would be discussing one company from the pharma sector, just wait for that. But this is my view on pharma. Overall the index is giving us a positive sign, and one more reason of this positive sign is because of the strong resistance which we have out here, and this resistance is from the month of May 2021, where pharma index have taken strong support, and then there was a great rally. Same is happening now, and it looks like we may get some good move coming in the pharma sector. Apart from that, the one share which I want to discuss from the pharma sector is Hikal. We have talked about this before. The reason was very simple. We have spotted a very strong pattern. Last time when we discussed it, I was talking about a double bottom pattern which we have spotted, and now if you just look at this, it has broken the neckline, and now it is looking quite good that it may test the next immediate strong resistance which is there on the chart, which is of 580. If you want me to ask, if you have still not entered in this, the best entry would be when it crosses the high, that is of 546. Above that, it is a one-way move which you can see around, which can come up in this, which would take the price to 580 level. And for this purpose, you can check up this chart from the pharma, which is looking quite good. Apart from this, there is one more stock which I'll discuss before we close off our video, that is Tata Communication. Another very good company. The company posted very good result, but the move was pending, and with today's volume and the candle which has formed, I feel now is the time to enter in Tata Communication. If you are a safe trader and you don't want to take risk, I would suggest you to enter once it crosses 130 rupees level. But otherwise, at present level also, this looks like a good deal. You can enter here. The stop loss would be 1200. But yes, while we are all sharing this view for the educational purpose only, if you just look at the chart as well, there is a double bottom pattern. The volumes were good. Overall, fundamentally the company is doing better, so you can analyze this particular share, that is Tata Communication. Another company which we'll discuss is Century Text. This is also looking good to me. The support of 780 has again been respected, and we are seeing the price moving again, and we may see again 960 level, or it can also cross that in the coming time. And this can also be a good company to analyze and keep a hawk eye on. The good entry in this particular company can be at the CMP, that is current market price, or you can slightly wait for the high to be crossed, that is of 880, and then you can enter with slight confirmation. Overall, it is looking good to me. There is a strong resistance which we see at around 780, and with the market giving slightest support to it, we may see it can test the all-time high of around 960, 970 level. So these are the stocks which we have discussed. I have shared with you my view regarding the market tomorrow. We may see a gap up opening, but yes, the Nifty has to support and sustain above 17,580 rupees level, and if that happens, we may see some good amount of buying happening in the market, which will give bulls a sign of hope for the next week. Take care, goodbye. This was it in our post market analysis series. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Also share it with your friends if you are thinking the series is helpful for you. We'll meet again tomorrow with the fresh post market analysis video and our plan for the week, where we will be sharing a learning video as well with you guys. So take care, goodbye, and we'll meet again tomorrow.